Hello friends, welcome back to this session. So in this session we are going to understand how we can change the instance type and sometimes what happen, we have deployed an instance and we need a data which instance are using, and we do not want to terminate and launch a new instance. We just want to reuse that particular instance and we want to increase the core or CPU and the memory. So how we can do that, we will see in this complete session. So let's start. So we'll start from the launching new instance. So I'm just moving to the EC2 console, and here I'm just going to launch my instance. So launch instance here. We'll take the Amazon Linux 2. We'll go for the T2 micro. Taking the default configuration here. Tagging as a default. Security group. Just using the default one. And launching my instance here. Validating the information and launch instance here. Let's pass the PM key here. Okay, so we have launched a instance here. So let's see the console. Okay, it is under the pending. So let's wait for a while. Our instance is running here. It's under running status. The instance type is T2 macro. So here you can see this is our instance information, and here we have taken the T2 macro. Now I started working something and I faced some issue of the memory crunch. Now I want to increase the memory for this particular instance. So how we can increase memory? That is the basically we'll take a way of changing instance type. So here we will go for the change of instance type. So let's go here back. So in the action you can see here in the instance setting you will find the instance type, change instance type here. So right now it is in disable state. So to change the instance type you have to stop your instance, then only this will be enabled. So let's stop our instance here. So here I'm just stopping instance. So we are not going to terminate. Stop instance will save your state here. So save all your data. So it won't erase your data. So let's stop instance here. So I'm stopping instance here. So in our steps, so before changing instance, we have to do the stop of our instance. Let's go back here. Let's refresh. So still it's stopping. Let's wait for a while. So here my instance has been stopped here. Let's go again in action. Go to instance setting and change instance type. Here it's enabled now. So let's change here instance type here. So it will ask for the instance type. So here you can see the different options for your instance type. So whatever you want you can change from here. So let's change the instance type here. From the T2 macro I'm moving for the T3 micro. So let's apply here. So this will internally change your instance type. So you can see here the instance type has been changed from here T2 macro to T3 macro. Now you can start your instance again from here, start instance. So this will start your instance again. Now you get your configuration of your desired instance type. So in the steps, we have stop instance. Now in the 2.2 we have changed the type and apply. Next one is 2.3 is now start your instance. So this is pretty much straightforward. You just have to launch your instance, you have to stop your instance and change your desired type and then again start. So your data all will be preserved here. So now state is here T2 macro, go back to your instance ID and here also you will find the T3 macro which we have changed from the T2 macro. So this is all about how we can quickly change instance type, and thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.